What's up everyone? Welcome back to Digital Knowledge. And in today's tutorial, you are going to see how you can just see your Facebook profile picture privacy. So let's head over to your Facebook application first. So let me tell you first, this is a tutorial for Android phone. Then head over to the three lines on the top right. And here head over to your profile. Now tap on your profile picture. And this layout will arrive from there. Just tap on see profile picture. Now, once you're here, just you find the three dots on the top right, head over there, and now you will find edit privacy in this layout. Just tap on it. And here you can choose your audience for your profile picture. You can make it public or just for friends, or you can just make it friends accept or don't show some friends. You can also use some specific friends, or you can just make it only me or make it totally private. So once you just choose any of them, make sure to tap on the save button on the lower bottom section. And once you save it, then your privacy profile picture privacy settings will be done. So yeah, this is how you can just do that. Hope this video will help you out. And if you have any questions, just comment down below and we will just reach out.